Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay or any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to solve session expired problem in Instagram. It's a pretty basic and easy thing to do, so just follow the guide. First thing first, if you haven't already subscribed to Solution Lab, please consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so you'll get notified from our latest videos. Now let's jump right in. First of all, go to and locate Instagram and hold on it. Tap on that I button. Once you go in the I button, tap on app storage from here and tap on the clear data at the very bottom. Tap on the clear cache memory, go to the home screen and open up the Play Store. From here what you need to do, search for Instagram and make sure that the app is updated. If not, updated first and then refresh it. And that's all. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care, see you next time.